Nice stick, Mommy.
Here we go. My first time on the backyard reef. Oh,
Nice save.
Here she comes, making a play. Another save by Noah Pollard. Okay, here we go.
Whoa. Mommy's gonna go down. Go get him, Tiger. Get him! Oh! Off the post. Not in, though.
You know you can do that to my game when we get it?
Yeah?
Yeah, you can do that. Wow.
Okay, let's start from the back.
Take Mommy giving a shot.
Five-all!
Mommy got lucky. Lucky.